What is going on, YouTube? I got something special for you guys today. I got an airbrush gun, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use this thing on your beard. Where might this come in handy, you might ask? Well, if you're going to maybe a wedding, if you're going out on a date, if you're going to a club, if you're sitting in the house maybe, then you definitely came to the right spot, because I'm going to teach you guys how to use this thing, and I'll also teach you where to get this thing. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll keep you guys up to date on new videos. And thank you guys. Check me out. Okay, so if you're not a barber, you might be asking yourself, airbrush gun for my face and for my beard? Yeah, you can use these for your beard, you can use these for the hairline, you can use these for gray hair, you can use it for the mustache, and enhancements are becoming more and more popular in the barber industry today. You can actually get one of these for fairly cheap. This one I think in particular was probably around $60. You can find some for a little more, you can find some for a little less. I'll put a link in the description below. I'm going to go ahead real quick and show you how to put, or at least how I put the hair dye in. And by the way, I'm using Kiss Express. I don't know if you can see that, it's a little blurry right there. Okay, I use Kiss Express. Right here is just a dark brown. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how I put it in. And you don't want to put too much. I'll show you exactly where I go. And remember, you can always put more, so you don't have to do a whole bunch right away. You don't have to do that. So I'd say start with about yay right there. I don't ever do too much because I don't want to waste this stuff. And then fill it up to about yay. Okay. By the way, I'm using alcohol. You don't want to use water. You want to use this alcohol because then it won't clog up your gun. Okay. So then what you want to do is take that little formula that you got there, shake it up a good bit. Make sure it's good and mixed up. You don't want it to clog up the gun. That's the worst thing you can do. Okay. Alright, now that it's good and mixed up, you want to go ahead and take your gun. And I'd say I just put a little bit each time, maybe fill it up halfway inside. Then, once you have that ready, it's time to begin onto the beard, my friends. Come follow me onto the beard. Next step. One more other little tip. Before you start going crazy on your face, make sure that you test your gun. You always want to test your gun first. Make sure it's spraying properly. What you want to do is get yourself a paper towel and start trying it out and see how the air is blowing out here. And as you can see, that's just about right about where I want it. So, gun's working properly. Let's do this. Okay, so what you're gonna need is your T-edges here. You're gonna need a business card, and of course your gun. You're gonna take that business card and kind of cut a little round off the edge. So what you want to do is go ahead and take these, clean up around your edges first to get a nice little line to work off of. Both sides. Underneath. And you can even go around the edges a little bit if you want. Okay, that looks pretty good. Alright, so what you want to do is just take your card, put it right up against that line that you just made. You want it to be right on next to that hair that you just, right on top of the hair, okay? Put it right on the hair. And what you want to do is do light strokes. Okay? You want it to look natural. You don't want to paint this on your face. You don't want to look like a painted face. You want to be holding this gun at a little bit of an angle and see how the line's starting to go. You want it to look more natural, okay? You don't want to paint your face, like I said. Don't want to stress this enough. Then, when you have that line like that, you can take the card and brush it down a little bit, or if you have a brush, you can take the brush and kind of just comb that down. Then what I like to do is, for all these patchy areas, just go ahead and freehand it, nice and slow. Nice and slow, guys. Keeping this thing at an angle. You don't want it to be straight on the face. You can do this as dark as you want, but like I said, the goal is making this look natural. You can even take it over here to the chin. Over here on the edge of the beard. I'll just freehand that. Okay, so now you can already see that it's starting to look fuller. That line's looking real crispy. And I didn't even have to tap over it again yet. This is just one half of my face. It helps out a lot with patchiness, so if you're looking for that, this will do the trick. Go ahead and hit up underneath. Try not to go below that line that you created. Okay, so there's one half. I'm gonna go ahead and hit up the other side real quick, and then I'll just straighten this off right here. Get a better angle for you guys. Now that I got that created, looking nice and sharp, let's go ahead and hit this other side underneath. So you got all these patchiness spots. But this thing, I mean, I'm telling you, you make it look nice and natural, you can look fresh any time of the day. You can look fresh every day. You want to look fresh every day? You can get yourself one of these and look fresh every day. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hit up this side real quick, finish that up, straighten this off right here, and then we'll probably go around the edges real quick. All right, let's do this. Okay, so just filling in this patchiness right here. See how it's all starting to come together in the patchy spots there? And this is super easy, by the way. I mean, anybody can literally do this. Hit it up underneath. And then go ahead and hit this line up in the middle. See that? Boom. Now you can just go around your edges a little bit. This thing is a magical thing, man. It helps for sure. Right up against your hairline always. It's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. All right, let's finish this up. Wow, looking pretty fresh. So basically, yeah, this thing is pretty sick. So I enjoy using it. I like using it on myself. Like I said, this thing can come in huge handy whenever that you need it for any kind of special event. If you need it just even sitting in your house. If you need it to go anywhere, really. Basically, I recommend picking one of these up. I think it's important to stay clean and groomed while you're even sitting in the house. So I do these videos to help you guys out as much as I possibly can. So I'll do what I can. I plan on uploading more videos here. So if this channel is something you're interested in, make sure you like and subscribe. Check me out. I'm going to be doing more cool videos. They're awesome. Come on now. Now I know like it's not the easiest thing to do by yourself, these little self tutorials, but I can tell you what, you still can do a pretty decent job on yourself if you practice. Practice makes perfect, my friends. So like I said, if you're you really like this channel, like and subscribe, and I'll do what I can to help you guys out, because that's what I do it for. Appreciate it, guys. Peace.